Hello, this is Mr. Royks, and I thought I'd put up a real quick podcast for tonight's homework for one of my Chem 10 classes. It's grams to mole conversion, and so you're going to get a worksheet with you're going to do the first 5 questions on the worksheet, and on the worksheet you're going to be asked to convert from grams of from some grams of a substance to moles of a substance. So we're going to practice with one real quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to deal with water. We'll stick with water since we deal with water quite a bit. And so if the question were to ask, if I have 25 grams of water, how many moles of water do I have? And so in order to do this, we need to set up our little table here. And what we'll do is what we know goes in the top left box, so that's going to be our 25.0 grams of H2O. In this case, what we're solving for is we're solving for moles of H2O. And so really the real question is, what is the conversion factor necessary to go from grams of H2O to moles of H2O? And the conversion factor that we're going to be using is based on the molar mass of H2O. And the reason why I picked H2O is because you've already solved for the molar mass of H2O. You've done it a number of times. And that's basically looking up on the periodic table for the particular element, finding out what its atomic mass is, and then multiplying it by the number of that particular atom. So in this case, hydrogen has a mass of 1, and there are 2 hydrogens in water for a total mass of 2. Oxygen is 16. There's only 1 oxygen, so bring that over. And so the molar mass of water is 18 grams per mole. Okay, and again, that's all based off the periodic table. So now what we can do is we can use that rate, that 18 grams per mole. We want to get rid of the grams, so we put grams down here. We want to solve for moles, so we put moles up here, and then we just plug it in. Well, we know that if it's 18 grams per mole, then in every 18 grams of water, I have 1 mole of water. Okay, so really what this particular problem now is looking at is it's taking our 25 grams and dividing it by 18. So if we divide 25 by 18, we get our answer of 1.39. 1.39. Okay, so that's really all we have to do for tonight's homework assignment is set up a problem like this for the the first 5 problems on the worksheet that is listed on the website. And we'll see you tomorrow.